What if I told you that the difference between the life you are living right now and the life you dream about might come down to just one simple decision every morning? Not talent, not luck, not even opportunity, but the moment you open your eyes. Because while most people are still sleeping, hitting snooze, delaying their goals, and choosing comfort, a small group of people are already winning the day. They are thinking clearly, working deeply, building discipline, and moving closer to the life they want before the world even wakes up. And here's the truth most people never realize. Laziness doesn't destroy your life in one big moment, it destroys it quietly, in the early hours of the morning, in the decisions you don't take, in the routines you keep repeating without thinking. But what if that same moment, the first hour of your day, could become the most powerful weapon you ever build? In this video, you are going to discover the 5 a.m. routine that has the power to completely transform your mindset, destroy laziness at its root, and rebuild you into a disciplined, focused, unstoppable version of yourself. This is not just about waking up early. This is about identity, discipline, energy, focus, and the version of you that is waiting to be unlocked. Stay with me until the end, because once you understand this, you will never look at your mornings or your future the same way again. Early morning discipline is one of the most powerful foundations for transforming a person's life, because it is not just about waking up at a specific time, but about taking control of the mind before the world begins to demand attention. Waking up at 5 a.m. represents a conscious decision to prioritize growth over comfort, and it immediately sets a tone of discipline that carries through the rest of the day. In those early hours, there is a unique silence that removes external distractions, allowing a person to confront their thoughts, intentions, and goals without interruption. This quiet environment becomes a training ground for self-control, where every decision to get out of bed despite resistance strengthens willpower. Most people fail not because they lack ambition, but because they surrender to comfort in the first moments of the day, and that surrender often repeats itself in other areas of life. However, when someone consistently chooses discipline over laziness at 5 a.m., they begin to reprogram their identity at a subconscious level. The brain starts to associate early waking with strength, responsibility, and progress, gradually weakening the habit of delay and avoidance. This shift is not instant, but it is deeply powerful because it builds consistency in the smallest but most critical action, how the day begins. Early morning discipline also creates a psychological advantage, as starting the day with intention produces a sense of achievement that influences further behavior. A person who wins the morning feels more capable of handling challenges, making decisions, and staying focused throughout the day. Over time, this practice builds momentum, where discipline in one area naturally spreads into others, such as work, health, and personal development. It also reduces dependence on external motivation because action becomes routine rather than emotional. Instead of waiting to feel ready, the mind learns to act regardless of feeling, which is the essence of true discipline. The 5 a.m. habit is not about the hour itself, but about what it represents: the refusal to be controlled by laziness and the decision to take ownership of time before the world interferes with it. Mental clarity in the early morning hours is one of the most powerful advantages a person can develop, because it allows the mind to function in its purest and least distracted state. When you wake up at 5 a.m., the world is still quiet, notifications are silent, and external demands have not yet begun to pull your attention in multiple directions. In this rare window of stillness, the mind is free from the overload of information that typically accumulates throughout the day, such as social media noise, conversations, responsibilities, and unexpected problems. This absence of distraction creates space for deep thinking, self-reflection, and intentional planning, allowing you to approach your life with greater awareness and direction. Mental clarity is not just about thinking more clearly, but about thinking more purposefully, where every thought has room to develop without interruption or confusion. In the early hours, cognitive fatigue is at its lowest, and the brain is naturally more organized after rest, which enhances decision-making ability and focus. This is why important thinkers and high achievers often value early mornings, because the mind is not yet cluttered with reactive thinking or emotional noise from the day's events. When clarity is present, priorities become easier to identify, and unnecessary tasks or distractions lose their influence over attention. This helps in distinguishing between what is urgent and what is truly important, leading to more meaningful progress rather than scattered effort. Over time, consistently using this clear mental state trains the brain to operate with structure and intention instead of confusion and impulsiveness. It also strengthens creativity, as ideas can flow freely without interruption, allowing solutions to problems to emerge more naturally. Mental clarity in the morning further reduces stress because it gives a person a sense of control before challenges arise, rather than reacting to problems after they appear. This proactive mindset builds confidence and stability throughout the day. As this habit continues, the mind becomes more disciplined in its thinking patterns, less influenced by chaos, and more aligned with long-term goals. Eventually, this clarity becomes a defining trait, shaping how decisions are made, how time is used, and how effectively a person moves toward their desired future. Energy alignment in the context of a 5 a.m. routine refers to the natural synchronization of the body, mind, and internal biological rhythm in a way that enhances vitality, focus, and emotional stability throughout the day. When a person consistently wakes up early, especially around 5 a.m., the body gradually adapts to a structured sleep-wake cycle that aligns more closely with natural circadian rhythms. This alignment improves the quality of rest, allowing the body to recover more effectively during sleep and wake up with a greater sense of alertness and readiness. Instead of starting the day in a rushed or chaotic state, the early morning awakening gives the system time to transition smoothly from rest to activity, which reduces mental fog and physical sluggishness. Energy alignment is not only physical but also mental, because the mind begins the day without the burden of overstimulation, allowing cognitive energy to be preserved for meaningful tasks rather than scattered across distractions. When this routine becomes consistent, the body starts anticipating the early wake-up time, which makes waking up easier over time and reduces resistance, fatigue, and reliance on external stimulants like caffeine. This stability in energy levels creates a foundation where productivity is not dependent on fluctuating motivation, but on a steady internal rhythm. As the day begins in alignment with this structured energy state, individuals often experience improved concentration, better emotional control, and increased resilience to stress. The early hours also prevent energy drain caused by unnecessary late-night activities or irregular sleep patterns, which often disrupt hormonal balance and reduce overall efficiency. Over time, this alignment strengthens both physical endurance and mental stamina, allowing a person to sustain effort for longer periods without burnout. It also creates a sense of harmony between intention and action, where the body feels prepared to execute tasks rather than resist them. This internal balance becomes a powerful advantage because it transforms energy from something unpredictable into something controlled and reliable, enabling consistent performance across all areas of life. Habit formation through a 5 a.m. routine is one of the most powerful psychological transformations a person can experience because it reshapes identity through repetition, structure, and consistency. When someone commits to waking up at 5 a.m. every day, they are not simply changing their schedule, they are training their brain to adopt a new behavioral pattern that gradually replaces old habits of delay, laziness, and inconsistency. At first, this change feels uncomfortable because the mind naturally resists disruption to established routines, especially those tied to comfort and sleep. However, each time a person overrides this resistance and wakes up early despite difficulty, they strengthen neural pathways associated with discipline and self-control. Over time, this repeated action reduces the mental effort required to wake up early, as the behavior shifts from being a forced decision to an automatic response. This is how habits are formed, through consistent repetition that eventually removes the need for conscious struggle. The 5 a.m. routine is especially powerful because it occurs at the start of the day, meaning it influences the entire chain of behaviors that follow. When the day begins with discipline, the brain is more likely to continue making disciplined choices throughout the rest of the day. This creates a ripple effect where one positive habit reinforces another, gradually replacing procrastination with productivity. Habit formation in this context also works at an identity level because the brain begins to associate the person with discipline, consistency, and reliability. Instead of seeing oneself as someone who struggles with laziness, the repeated action of waking early begins to rewrite self-perception into someone who is in control of their time and actions. This identity shift is crucial because long-term behavior is often driven more by self-image than by motivation. Additionally, the structure of a 5 a.m. routine reduces decision fatigue by eliminating the need to negotiate with oneself each morning, which conserves mental energy for more important tasks later in the day. As this pattern becomes deeply embedded, the behavior becomes effortless, and discipline no longer feels like a struggle but a natural part of life. Silent productivity in the early morning hours is one of the most powerful yet overlooked advantages of a 5 a.m. routine because it allows a person to work in an environment where distractions, interruptions, and external pressures are almost completely absent. During this time, the world is still asleep, notifications are minimal, and there are no immediate demands from work, social obligations, or daily responsibilities, which creates a rare opportunity for deep, uninterrupted focus. In this state of silence, the mind is able to concentrate fully on meaningful tasks such as learning, planning, creating, or working on long-term goals without the constant fragmentation of attention that typically occurs later in the day. This uninterrupted focus significantly increases productivity because the brain is not required to constantly switch between tasks or recover from distractions, allowing for deeper levels of thinking and higher quality output. Silent productivity also enhances efficiency, as tasks that might normally take hours in a distracted environment can often be completed in a shorter time due to the absence of interruptions and mental fatigue caused by multitasking. Beyond efficiency, this early morning productivity builds a psychological advantage because it creates a sense of accomplishment before the majority of the world has even begun their day, which reinforces confidence and momentum. When a person consistently achieves meaningful work in the early hours, it strengthens their belief in their own capabilities and creates a strong internal drive to maintain that standard. This period of silence also encourages creativity as the mind is free to explore ideas without external influence, leading to clearer thinking and better problem solving. Over time, this practice conditions the brain to associate early mornings with progress and achievement, making it easier to maintain focus and resist distractions throughout the rest of the day. Silent productivity is not just about doing more work. It is about doing the right work with greater clarity, intention, and depth. It transforms mornings into a powerful foundation for success, where discipline and focus are established before the demands of the outside world begin to interfere with personal goals and priorities. Identity shift through a 5 a.m. routine is one of the deepest transformations a person can experience because it goes beyond behavior and begins to reshape how a person sees themselves at a core level. When someone consistently wakes up at 5 a.m., they are not just changing their schedule, they are repeatedly proving to their mind that they are capable of discipline, consistency, and self-control. At the beginning, this action may feel forced, uncomfortable, and even unnatural. But with repetition, the brain starts to adapt and reinterpret this behavior as part of the person's identity. Instead of seeing themselves as someone who struggles with laziness or lack of discipline, they gradually begin to see themselves as someone who takes control of their time and actions. This shift is extremely important because human behavior is strongly influenced by identity, meaning people tend to act in alignment with how they perceive themselves. Once the identity of a disciplined person is formed, actions that support that identity become easier to maintain, while behaviors that contradict it naturally begin to fade. The 5 a.m. routine acts as a daily reinforcement of this new identity because every early wake-up becomes evidence that strengthens self-belief and weakens old patterns of inconsistency. Over time, this repeated evidence builds confidence not through motivation, but through proof of action. This transformation also affects decision-making, as a person who identifies as disciplined is more likely to make choices that support long-term goals rather than short-term comfort. The identity shift also influences resilience because setbacks no longer define the person. Instead, they are seen as temporary challenges that do not change who they are becoming. As this identity becomes stronger, the individual naturally begins to adopt other positive habits, such as better time management, focused work, and improved self-control, without needing constant effort or external pressure. Eventually, waking up at 5 a.m. is no longer viewed as a difficult task, but as a natural expression of who they are, marking a complete transformation from resistance to alignment with a disciplined and purpose-driven identity. In conclusion, the 5 a.m. routine is not just a morning habit. It is a powerful system of self-transformation that quietly reshapes your mindset, discipline, and identity from the inside out. It teaches you how to take control of your mornings, and in doing so, take control of your entire life. When you consistently choose discipline over comfort in those early hours, you are not just waking up earlier. You are building mental clarity, aligning your energy, forming powerful habits, creating silent productivity, and ultimately becoming a stronger version of yourself. Every key element of this routine works together to break the cycle of laziness and replace it with structure, focus, and purpose. Over time, what once felt difficult becomes natural, and what once felt impossible becomes your new standard. The real power of the 5 a.m. routine is not in the time itself, but in the identity it helps you create. The identity of someone who does not quit, and does not settle for less than their potential. Once that identity is built, success is no longer something you chase, it becomes something you naturally move toward through your daily actions. Good luck on your journey toward discipline, growth, and transformation. May you find the strength to rise early, stay consistent, and build the life you truly deserve. Thank you for being here and investing your time in your personal growth.